Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 2nd November. And first of all, national news. Magnitude 3.9 earthquake hit Madhya Pradesh, Panchamari. MG Motor, latest Chinese firm to be investigated by India. Mamata Banerjee likely to meet MK Stalin during Chennai visit Wednesday. PM declared Rajasthan's Mangar Dham a national monument in tribute to tribals killed by British. Supreme Court notice to Assam government over state-run madrasas. Kerala Cope won 2 gold medals in World Arm Wrestling competition. Gujarat cable bridge collapse, 9 arrested for Gujarat tragedy. UP achieved 20,000 crore investment target to develop as data center hub, Yogi Adityanath. Please opposing pre-election freebies to be heard by 3-judge bench. Quote, Delhi-bound Nepal Airlines flight cancelled at last minute, 254 stranded. Rahul Gandhi unfurled national flag at Charminar in Hyderabad amid Bharat Jodo Yatra. Projects should respect sovereignty, territorial integrity. India to SCO. Maharashtra planned detailed report after losing mega projects to Gujarat. PM Modi visited site of Gujarat bridge tragedy, met survivors. Tamil Nadu declared holiday for schools in 8 districts amid heavy rain. Lots of progress on big infra projects along border, top military officer. Andhra bureaucrat Giridhar Armani took charge as new defense secretary. And now international news. UK ex-minister Matt Hancock suspended from party over TV reality show. 62% of Indians faced online shopping scams this festive season. Will beat you in your own constituency, Imran Khan dares Nawaz Sharif. UK vowed more radical measures to counter illegal migration. UN brokered grain deal suspension to affect food security globally. India. Chef duo Brock Gordon, Ramses record create largest sushi roll. China's Xi Jinping offered condolences to PM Modi over Gujarat bridge collapse. Russia fined Wikipedia up 2 million over Ukraine war articles. Shanghai Disneyland shut doors, locking visitors inside after COVID scare. And now some sports news. The 2022-23 International League season will kick off on November 12 at Malappuram, Kerala, India Football Federation. Brazil head to Qatar as favorites to win a World Cup like no other. Injured France midfielder Paul Pogba out of FIFA World Cup. Revived Daniel Ricciardo set for Mercedes or Red Bull reserve role. Thailand's Athaya Thitikul 19 became women's golf number 1. Shruti Kotwal broke national record at start of ice speed skating season in USA. WTA finals Maria Sakkari beat Jessica Pegula. Arina Sabalenka downs owns Zebio at year-end tournament round robin. IIM Rohtak commemorated Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary with mini marathon. Now news related to business. Nifty rised 130 points to above 18,100 level on improved risk sentiment. Rupee rise to 82.70 as the dollar dropped from a 1-week high. Forex reserve likely to fall a further $15 billion by end 2022, a report said. Foreign investors sell $500 million of government bonds in 2 days. Centre's paddy procurement for Kharif marketing season rises 12% till October. India's G20 presidency to focus on macroeconomic vulnerabilities in near-term economic advisor. Modalities for grievance appellate committee to be out in 10 to 12 days. Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Punjab National Bank Q2 net profit declined 63% on higher provisions. Provident Fund coverage to be expanded to 10 crore subscribers, Minister Bhupendra Yadav. Jet fuel price hiked 4.2%, commercial LPG gas rates cut by Rs 115.5. GST tax collections jumped to Rs 1.52 lakh crore, second highest ever. Now news from science and technology area. ESO released image of aftermath of large star's explosive death. Elon Musk SpaceX may launch Starship rocket system by early December, NASA. China's Mengtian module docked with the Tiangong space station ahead of plans to launch Zhengxian Space Telescope. Ancient DNA reveal hidden human past, a study set. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.